Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you what the own section of Compass does and how you can use it to your advantage. So to navigate to this, collections, you then click on own. And so this will display the same analytics that are displayed on the trending section of Compass, but for the NFTs that are in the wallet that you have connected to the website. So you'll be able to select a period, and then based on that period, it will order the collections by the amount of volume that they have seen during that period. So if you hover over the collection, it tells you a little bit about it, such as if it's revealed, how many tokens there are, when it released, relevant links. This will show you the amount of volume that the collection has seen during the period you have selected. This will show you the amount of sales that have happened in the collection during the period you have selected. This will tell you the average price of each NFT sold in the collection during the period. This is the current floor price of the collection, and this is the highest sale that has happened during the period you have selected. And lastly is a little bar graph that shows volume distribution over the period you have selected. And so that's everything the own section on Compass does. This is useful because it gives you some insight on if the NFTs you have are increasing or decreasing in value, which you can use to determine if you would like to gain more exposure to the collection or possibly sell off because you believe the collection is undervalued. So that's a bit about the own section of Compass and why it's useful. I hope you guys enjoyed.